Hello and welcome back to the channel. We've had a fantastic response to the subscriber drive, but I still need people to watch the videos either right the way through or to play them in the background, because I'm still a few hundred hours off of getting the 3,000 hours required to have memberships and all that sort of thing. So, and a little shop set up. Moving on, the weather has finally turned. The last couple of days have been absolutely glorious. And yesterday I was just doing gardening and basic things like that. The day before, the neighbour decided to muck around with a bobcat starting on Sunday night. And yeah, so that's finally been quietened down with the aid of the police and a number of neighbours. Prior to that, I've just been doing lots and lots of radios. And it's really basic stuff like just cleaning and cap replacement and the power cord replacement, of course. So now I have about 10 radios, I think it is, ready for sale. I have an acquaintance who I've fixed a few radios for, and she has a stall at the Ballarat Bazaar, which is a great big warehouse, or it was a former shearing shed, I believe. And she's offered to sell a few for me. So that's what I've been doing. On Saturday, we had our meeting. Prior to that, I went to another deceased estate and bought another, I think about 22 radios or something like that. I've lost count of how many radios I've bought in the last couple of weeks. And there was so many of them that I couldn't fit them all in the car. So yes, my friend has them at the moment. So lots of radios to shift, mostly working. The ones on Saturday which I've tested so far have all worked. There's quite a few transistor sets which need a bit of work. A couple of them have had such bad battery damage that the backs have been dissolved and they're swelling up like pumpkin. But otherwise, it's been a pretty good week to buy, well, pretty good couple of weeks actually, for me for radio purchases. There's no video this week as such. It's just photos of the finished radios which are going off for sale, or some of them anyway. So let's get into it.